Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at an incredible piece of audio equipment, the Klipsch SPL-150SW 15-inch powered subwoofer in Ebony. This subwoofer is a game changer for any home theater or music setup, and let me tell you why. First off, the bass reflex design with the exclusive front-firing internal flare port allows for placement flexibility, meaning you can customize the placement of the subwoofer to fit your space perfectly. The high-efficiency Class D amplifier delivers a powerful 400W RMS and an impressive 800W peak, ensuring that every beat and bass line is felt throughout the room. Not only does this subwoofer sound amazing, but it looks incredible too. The premium scratch-resistant finish in ebony gives it a sleek and modern appearance, while the shock-absorbing rubber feet, steel grille posts, and woven cloth grille add to the overall premium look and feel. Plus, it's compatible with the Klipsch WA2 wireless kit, giving you even more flexibility in setting up your audio system. If you're looking to take your home audio to the next level, the Klipsch SPL-150SW is the perfect choice. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Klipsch SPL-150SW 15-inch powered subwoofer and elevate your audio experience today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations on the best audio gear out there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.